The vocabulary word we are exploring now is bowling. Bowling. Ever been to an alley where people roll heavy balls to knock down pins? That's bowling. It's not just a game, it's a social outing, a fun challenge, and sometimes a serious sport. Let's explore the meaning, examples, and a story to bring it to life. Meaning of bowling. Bowling is a sport or activity in which a player rolls a ball to knock down a group of pins. Examples: we went bowling after school for fun. She scored a strike in her first bowling match. Bowling shoes are required at the alley. Short story. Mike was terrible at bowling. Every time he rolled the ball, it went straight to the gutter. But he kept going every weekend with his friends. One Saturday, after months of trying, he hit a strike. Everyone cheered. That moment felt like a win, not just in the game, but for his persistence. From then on, Mike didn't care about scores, he bowled for the joy of it. The alley became his happy place, filled with laughter, pizza, and rolling pins.